What's up, everybody? Welcome to the vlog. As you've noticed, there's a lot of changes on the channel. Literally everything has changed about the channel. But as you can see in the background, there's an E30. I'll talk about all those changes in the next video, but for now, let me show you the new car that we bought. Alrighty, this is Ethan. He's definitely gonna be a default member on this channel now. Alrighty, so
here I present you the wonderful 1986 BMW 325e, and the E stands for economy because we love the economy. I think that's what it stands for.
I think so.
But so here is the E30. We caught this. It's all right, you know. As you can see, like, shit, it needs some work, but like, it's all good because the money will be put into it. But yeah, I got a seat cover over this because this is disgusting, and every time I see this, I literally want to hang myself. But I got the seat cover over it, right? So you can't tell. Look, voila.
Let's see this. Let's see this.
Looks perfect. Brand new.
Yeah?
But yeah, so this is the E30. We got the paint is in mint condition. That's the reason we got this car, just because of how good the paint was. The paint shows that this car has a lot of potential. And of course, we had to keep the hooker headers.
The hooker headers Hot Wheel.
In every car. But yeah, this is pretty much the car. Beauty. And then we have, you know, this shit. I know it's missing a lot of shit because someone's currently fixing the car. But yeah, that's it pretty much.
Yeah.
It's pretty sexy and it's dope.
So what are some plans for the car?
Well, first off, new wheels. I definitely need to buy new wheels on this thing. This thing's ugly as hell. Like, whoever bought those wheels, put them on this car, and thought that was a good idea is a fucking moron. Like, this shit's ugly as hell. So we're gonna do that, and then these seats are gonna get replaced soon. I'm probably gonna spend like $1,000 on new seats, and then that shit's gonna get fixed. I'm gonna go to a upholstery, or whatever the fuck it's called, get that nice and beautiful. What's it called? What else? Shit. Get new speakers on the car, you know? What's it called? Get this turboed, and I'm gonna get a fucking sub for this too, you know? This shit's gonna be nice. But for now, this is it. This is the car.
Yep.
The wonderful E30. But yeah, we'll be back when we get some new wheels.
Yeah, so I just wanted to start out like the new introduction on the channel and stuff like that with basically we bought an E30, and now a lot of the content on this channel is gonna be E30 content because the E46 really doesn't need any work right now. So yeah, a lot of the content is just gonna be E30 stuff. So yeah, right now we have the intake manifold off and stuff like that because we're rebuilding a lot of the motor. But yeah, that's it. Super short video, I know, but I just wanted to introduce everything new.
We'll be back when we get the wheels.
Yep. All right. See you guys in the next video. I definitely will explain everything that's happening, and yeah, see ya.